And just in case you guys were wondering, so I have a customer that shipped me a MacBook that's not too far, so I'll probably end up driving it over. This is how the box looks inside the little undercarriage area, so there's a lot of space. You can fit a lot of that in there. Okay, and yeah, and then again, this is the front license plate holder, and it just holds itself in with this double stick adhesive tape. This looks like 3M outdoor mounting tape. Yeah, oh yeah, there's a 3M on there. And yeah, license plate screws, and it just screws into this plastic thing with plates, I guess. Alright, that's it. Figured, why not, let's show the MacBook inside the Frunk as well. I'm gonna actually keep it in the Frunk because it's a bit more secure. So the trunk, if someone smashes your window, they can get into here. So that's why I'm going to put it in the front. The front, they will have to like smash through a metal piece, and that's a lot more difficult. So let me see. It's not only more difficult, but yeah, people will most likely call the cops on you. So there's the front. Let's go ahead and grab the MacBook out. Pop this, slide that up. I really like that. I really like that feature. Okay. Then you have the option to take it out completely or leave it. And this fits in there as well. And because we have these random foam blocks here, I guess I can somewhat pad it. I mean, it's not supposed to have these foam blocks. I don't know where they came from. Maybe from the factory when they were building stuff. But yeah. Alright, let's close this, and here you can see the mechanism a bit better. I don't think I showed it as well last time. And just push that down. Again, the metal here, as you can see, if you push on it, you can actually push that in quite a bit. So you want to be careful not to put too much pressure. So I just push on the center here. But again, normally you would use like both hands to push on either side to lock that in. But yeah, that's it. If I see more things to talk about, I will bring that up. Yeah, bye.